I stumbled on BinBotPro, a trading robot claiming it can make you 90% profit in just 7 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? But I had to see if it was legit or just another online scam. So I set aside some cash, signed up, and decided to follow their instructions exactly, just like a total beginner. No trading experience needed, just deposit funds and press start. The site is clearly aimed at people who want easy, passive income, promising to handle everything for you: forex, crypto, you name it. The idea of a bot trading volatile markets 24/7 is tempting, but risky. Still, I was ready to test it and share the real results, good or bad. With my skepticism high, I hit the start button and began my 7-minute experiment. Why do bots like BinBotPro exist? Because trading is tough. Most people lose money, and the learning curve is brutal. Charts, analysis, risk management, and emotional swings. It takes years to get good, and most just don't have the time or patience. That's why the idea of a robot is so appealing. It promises to skip the hard work and avoid emotional mistakes. Bots don't panic or get greedy, they just follow the algorithm. For many, the stress and complexity of manual trading is too much, so they look for shortcuts. BinBotPro is marketed as that shortcut: hands-off, no skills needed, just potential profits. So what is BinBotPro? It's a free software robot that trades binary options for you. You predict if an asset's price will go up or down. Win, you get a fixed return. Lose, you lose your stake. BinBotPro claims to use advanced algorithms for high accuracy. Getting started is simple. Sign up, pick a broker, deposit at least $250, and choose a bot strategy. The dashboard is beginner-friendly, letting you pick risk levels and see past performance. Once you start, the bot trades automatically, often in just minutes per trade. It's all about fast, frequent trades and passive income. No trading skills required. Here's what happened. I deposited $250, picked a popular bot, set $25 per trade, and started the 7-minute countdown. The bot immediately began trading currency pairs, placing rapid-fire bets. My balance jumped up and down, but after a few minutes it hit a winning streak, 5 wins in a row. Each win added nearly $23 to my account. When the timer ended, I stopped the bot and checked the results. 11 trades, 9 wins, 2 losses. My balance was $452.50, a profit of $202.50, or an 81% return in 7 minutes. Not quite the promised 90%, but shockingly close for zero effort. So, is BinBotPro worth it? The automation is real, you just turn it on and let it trade. It's easy to use, requires no experience, and the $250 minimum makes it accessible. My test showed big profits fast, though not quite the advertised 90%. Withdrawals are promised to be quick, but I didn't test that. Bottom line, BinBotPro nearly delivered on its bold claims. But remember, trading is always risky, even with a bot. If you're curious and understand the risks, it's worth a try. Want more tips on trading and passive income? Follow for more.